Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a petrol station as your favorite one on the FuelCheck application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the My Trip button down below, which is the second option. Then you should select the fuel type at the top, then your departure and destination points at the top of the screen. Here you can select your location, and after finding the relevant petrol station, you should tap on it and click on its name, and here you can find this Add to Favorite button marked with a star icon in the middle of the screen. So if you would like to set it as your favorite petrol station, all you have to do is tapping on this button and then it will be added to your favorites immediately, as you can see. If you want, you can also remove by tapping on the star icon again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.